Hey guys, we're gonna do our video on triangle congruence. So remember, congruence means that the triangles are exactly the same and that their side lengths are the same and their angle measures are the same as well. So question 1 says, if triangle QRS is congruent to triangle JKL, select all the statements below that must be true. Now, you don't have to draw a picture, but I personally like to draw a picture because I'm a visual person and I think it makes life a little bit easier. And so whatever triangle I draw for the first one, I know that they're congruent, so I wanna go in the exact same order. So Q, R, S, I'm gonna go in the same order down below, J, K, L. So it should look as though they are the same. So first one says, is angle QSR, so it's this angle right here, is it congruent to angle JLK? JLK. Those are in the same spot, so yes, those are congruent. Next one says angle LKJ, so this one right here, K. I already know this should be congruent to this one, angle R, but let's see if it is. Angle SQR would be this one up here, so angle Q and angle K are not congruent, so that one is not true. Segment QS is congruent to JK, so here's QS, and I already can see it should be congruent to JL. That is not this one over here, JK, so I know that that one is also not true. So if you want, we can actually kind of like mark everything in the picture right now. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. And so corresponding pieces of congruent triangles are congruent. So that means everything that's in the same place should be congruent. So if I already have the picture drawn, it's really easy to see. Is KJ, this one right here, congruent to RS? Nope, those are two different side lengths. So that's not true. Angle RQS is this one up here. Is that congruent to angle KJL? That's up here. Yes, these two are congruent, so that's also true. SQ is congruent to JL. SQ, JL. Yes, so these two are both congruent, and even though it goes in a different order, it's still the same side length, so yes, they are congruent. KL is congruent to RS, so here's KL, here's RS. Yep, these two are also marked as being the same. Angle QRS is QRS, that means angle R. Is it congruent to angle LKJ? That's also this one over here, so, sorry, QRS, LKJ. So, yep, those look like they are congruent. Angle RSQ, it's this one over here, is congruent to angle KLJ. That looks like yes, congruent. And the last one is RQ congruent to JK? And yep, again, they both have 3, so they're also congruent. So drawing a picture is super helpful for these types of problems. Letter B. 2 triangles are shown below, and I have some things that are already marked for me. I see that there's one pair of angles that are marked as being congruent, a second pair of angles that's being marked as congruent, and these 2 sides are also marked as being congruent. Now, without even reading the question, I already see one more thing that they have in common. They share this side, DF. This is the reflexive property, so that means that this side length is also congruent to itself. Now the question says, select all reasons below that can be used to show that the 2 triangles are congruent. So I have to pick which one of these makes sense. So first one is angle, angle, angle. Unfortunately, angle, angle, angle cannot be used to solve for congruence. So I already know that's not a choice. That's not even one of the 5 theorems that we know. Side, angle, side. So do I have 2 sides marked with an angle right in between? It looks like I do, 2 sides with an angle in between. So yes, I can use side, angle, side. Side, side, angle. Already SSA. Ooh, remember in math class, we don't swear forward or backward. I already know this is not a real theorem, so I can't use this one either. Angle, side, angle means two angles with a side right in between them. And I already see two angles, D and B, with the side in between them that's marked as congruent. So yes, I can use angle, side, angle. Next one is angle, angle, side. So two angles that are right next to each other, and then a side that is not included, so not in between the two. Well, I see I've got angle D and angle B, angle, angle, and then I have the non-included side over here, side AB. This is the non-included side. So because it's not included, I can use the angle, angle, side as well. Last one is side, side, side. I would need to have all three of my sides marked as congruent. Right now I only have two of the three sides of the triangle marked, so I cannot use that one either. Okay, so go ahead, take a moment, and now you can give the triangle congruence quiz a try.